I've signed up for a massive challenge, and somebody was asking me why, and it's led me to examine my motivations, my reasons behind doing it. And what I've realized is that those reasons I can actually transfer into my business to help me achieve bigger goals. So I thought I'd share them with you. But I'd love to know, what are your motivations? Write them in the comments below. Let me know, what are your reasons behind doing things? Do you know what they are? If you don't, then, maybe have a think about what motivates you to do stuff that you want to do. And then maybe you can use that in your business as well. So this challenge I've signed up for is to walk 1,000 miles. It's a massive goal. Walk 1,000 miles. And my reasons behind doing it, I've got an overarching reason, which is my physical and mental well-being. That's my main reason for doing it. But there are other ways of achieving that. So why this? Well, there are lots of different types of exercises I can't do, but I can walk, and I enjoy walking, and I live in a beautiful part of the world. But I've found in the cold, dark, wet days, it really challenging to get myself outside. So I needed something to aim for. I needed a goal. I needed something massive. I wanted something massive so that at the end of it, the sense of achievement is going to be really off the scale. I wanted an off the chart sense of achievement. But at the same time, I needed something that was achievable. 1,000 miles doesn't sound achievable, but actually that breaks down into small chunks of 2.5 miles a day. That is. So massive goal, but small chunks. The next thing was that I realized that part of this challenge that really appealed to me was the fact that you could track your progress on a visual tracker. So they had a map from Land's End to John O'Groats, and you could track your miles on that, see how far you'd gone. So I needed something visual to stimulate me, to help me keep going. Yes, I can count the miles, but that's very intangible. I needed a visual tracker. The other part of it was that I wouldn't be doing this alone. Yes, I am doing it on my own, but I'm part of a group that is doing it, doing the same thing at different paces, at different levels, but working together. So you get the support, you get the collaboration, and you get a little bit of healthy competition. So what do you think? Do you have the same motivations? Give me a thumbs up if you do, or put a yes, me too, in the comments below. Let me know, what are your motivations? Now, transferring the motivations for this, so we've got an overarching goal, we've got a massive target that breaks down, that I can easily track progress, and that I'm doing in collaboration with other people. I've got support and I've got a little competition. So how can I transfer that over onto business? Overarching goal is the health and well-being of my business, and therefore of me. Massive goal, well, I want to do an online course. I want a couple of online courses done and produced and out, ready to help people this year. So that's a massive goal. Can I break it down? Yes, I can break it into lots of bite-sized pieces. I can find a way of tracking my progress, a visual way. Remember, it was the visual map that really appealed to me. I can find a visual way of doing that. And then there is the support, the collaboration. So I know I work really well working alongside other people, not on the same thing, but they're working on their thing, I'm working on mine. What about you? Do any of those elements that I've identified, do they resonate for you? Do they sound like something that is part of your motivation for getting something done? And if not, maybe think about something that you've done in your personal life, maybe something that you've done in your business that you got really enthusiastic about, and work out what were your reasons behind doing it, what were the elements to it that really appealed to you, and see if there is a way that you can transfer that onto your business. And if video is something that you want to achieve, if that's your big goal for this year, then join the group, Get Visible on Video, to get you and your business out there and visible using video. Until I speak to you again, stay well, take good care of yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.